Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
اون چیست بیا الان صداش میاد صدا چقدر اسکلت نیست هیچ وای
President ka United States Donald Trump ulapan sa priyang yakidur bagi video kiba ka Amerika ka lahir Thma Iran. Kadai ka sian ka baar haki Sngi kanti baka US ka lahir Thma ya ka Iran ya ka ba Trump mula ong baka deka Jingleh Thma ka baar Sha ban ya ka ba ka Iran ka lahir Thma ya ki chan ha Strait of Hormuz. Kila patai kubor jong ka Iran kila kam baka dan ka jingpthai ka bashirkai haki benta ba per jong ka Iran kum ha Bushehr kabadai ka waini ki jaka kabadan ka nuclear power plant complex nang ta ki benta ba shathi jong ka Chabahar hakonarang ha Bandar Abbas bar hasiring ka ketem gishipai sun ka Iran kabadan hanong ba Iran shariru kala Shah Thma kani ka Jingleh Thma ka US ka di hadin ba ka Iran kala Thma hakikatu ka ni ki benta jong ka Bahrain Kuwait bat Qatar ka Jingleh Thma jong ka US ka Deiru hadin balakut ka soskular ya soyasuk hapdeng ka US ba ka Iran ya ka ba kimshim lala ban ya kita ki kular utram mula kam ba ka Iran ka kwa biang banyak ranya sung hendreu lo ong ba artatin ya ka ni namar ba ka Iran kam juburam ya ka soskular
بار دیگر شهادت گرامی و تحمل ناپذیر رهبر معظم انقلاب را به پیشگاه امت اسلامی و خاندان مکرم و معظم این بزرگوار تعزیت ما الان در آستانه امتحان بزرگ هستیم و باید مواظب باشیم این وحدت را کاملا حفظ بکنیم این امتحان را کاملا حفظ بکنیم
اون چیست بیا الان صداش میاد صدا چقدر اسکلت اون چیست بیا الان صداش میاد صدا چقدر اسکلت نیست هیچ وای
They launched a couple of drones and one rocket, one missile, and at ships because they were in the strait, which they have every right to be. And so we hit them very hard last night, very, very hard. Probably hit them hard again tonight. I'll give them a little warning. We're going to hit them hard tonight. I don't know if we're going to have a deal. We may just do it without a deal because you know what? It's easier. Look, we're not attacking at the highest level. The highest level are the bridges, they're, which we can knock down. I would say in one day we knock down every single bridge in Iran. There's not a thing they can do about it. They're electric manufacturing facilities, right? They're electric plants where they make their electricity in there. We will, if we have to, we'll take them out. I don't want to do that, but if we have to, we'll take them out. They have desalinization plants. We'll take them out if we have to. I hate to do that. That's probably the one I would like not to do. At least we attacked Cargill Island last night. We knocked out a piece. I said, don't touch the oil. because maybe we'll take over Carg Island. We may take over Carg Island. There's not a thing they can do about it. And there may be a big attack tonight. And it'll knock out a lot of stuff. We don't knock out nothing, we knock out a lot. We just hit them very hard. And I say we hit them 20-1. Every time they hit us, we're going to hit them 20. And we did it last night. They did a little something today, but it was really retribution for last night. They hit actually 3 boats, not 2. And when they hit, we hit back much harder.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.